So here's the tool you need is one cross screwdriver, and one is, I will recommend use the T6 instead of T5, because I actually bought a T5 screwdriver when I used, but the problem is T5 is actually a little smaller than this. So when I use T5, it's actually in the end I got my T5 screwdriver, so I buy this for new one, and they actually a substitute for the T6, and I use T6 is actually better than T5 when I doing this. So as I say, this is a refurbished product, so there's some screwdriver is actually missing, and I don't know why, so but doesn't matter.